Hello guys. After you have installed Windows 11, 25H2 is on board. Then we will to do some of the things we need to do. Just as we're going to optimize the Windows to help with the use. More convenient than you guys. I have a computer here. I just finished installing Windows 11 25H2. Then after we install it, well, you can see here that this one is getting the driver of the Logitech mouse and keyboard. This one, if you're using it, Logitech mouse and keyboard, it will report this. Then you can install it. It tells you what happens after you install Win. You need to do it. First, we'll check. See if the driver has received the full package or not. Right-click the Start button here. You can choose the Line Divide Manager. So here you can see this. The driver is missing a lot. The lines that have this yellow exclamation point. This means that it has not received the driver. I need to install the full driver for the machine. We're going to have a lot of ways of doing it, but the easiest way to do it, that you're going to right-click this Start button. Go to the Settings section. Go to the Window Update section here. You turn this part on. Then click Check for Update. This will help Windows find out the latest Windows updates. Just like the drivers, it's missing on your machine. Let it download and install it for full. Then after it's loaded, and install it all. If the driver doesn't get it all, then we will proceed for the missing drivers by installing it manually, guys. And then after that it scans out there. Then it proceeds that it loads. And it's got the latest updates for Windows. Just like the drivers on your machine. You guys, now let's just wait for it to install you. In other words, after the update is completed, your driver has not received the full package. It's still missing. Then you will install it. How do you use old drivers? That we were. Back up before we install Win. Now I just let it go. Download the updates, as well as setting driver in the machine for me, until later after finishing. Then we'll check again. While waiting, well, we'll do something else. That is, we're going to tweak this taskbar. You see, when we install Win in the bar, this taskbar, it's got a lot of stuff here. There are also many people I like this to use always, to experience new things, see what's cool about it. But after we use it for a while, then we will recognize the need. What are we? I usually do this. If you think it's cool, then you can follow. I often do this. I'm going to right-click this taskbar. I chose the taskbar setting. In this case, I will turn off this widget. Turn off this task view. Turn it off. The widget is the part right here. Hey, it's like that ad, this one. That's when you put it in here. It keeps coming out of these. It's very annoying. If you like to watch, this quick news is there. Then you can leave this for a quick look. But I don't use it. Turn it off. Then this search box. This is the search box. That's the whole box. This is usually me. Turn it off or just let it go. The icon, but now I use less. So we both go. Guys, let it be empty. Because I use the shortcut. A shortcut is the Windows key and the letter S. Like this, it also turns on the search. So I didn't leave anything to it. Then the next one is below. Well, you see it has a taskbar. Behavior here you click down. It's here. The part where this taskbar alignment. Now people are letting it be. Center is in the middle. If you don't like being in the middle, you want to put it in this corner. It's like Windows 10 or earlier. Then you can click. Go here and choose left. Let it run back like this. For a while, I used Windows 11. I'm used to it, so let it be. That's it. Let's turn this off. Then the next one is down here. It has things like the Windows Store. The Outlook program is here. Then the program is Office BA65 web form here. Usually, I use these a little. So I'm going to right-click here. I chose to unpin. Leave. I'm going to unpin all my friends. Let me leave room for other applications that I need to use. I'll bring it down here. Here we will hide. Let's go with this. Let's keep it neat. And here I am, I see the symbol. OneDrive here, I'll right-click here. I would choose to quit OneDrive. Hide everything and choose Quit. Give it Compact. I'll clean the bar. This spa works how make it compact. And then after it's done, then we will proceed into the start. This menu lets me check it out here. Is there anything or not? For example, software, apps, that I don't need to use, like this Xbox I don't have. Then I'll leave. Right-click here and I will select Uninstall. Uninstall. That's what I don't use. I don't use these games either. If you have a need, you use it. Then you can leave it. It doesn't have to be like me. These are the ones I didn't use. I dropped them all. Then, I can do this. I'm right here. I chose the setting. In this setting window, it also has this app. Click here. Then it has the item install this app. Click here. See which apps you don't use. Then you take it all off, such as the ones where feedback is steaming. This is what these are. It's never used, so I'm going to remove them all. In fact, these things don't take over capacity of machine much. But he looked like he didn't like it. It's so entangled. There are also some apps where it will take up the bandwidth of the internet. So I'll take it off. For example, this backpack doesn't work either. I leave this too. Then I dropped this Microsoft Bing. This one it doesn't give up. Whatever it is, you don't give up. What else does it give away? Then we'll drop it all. For example, I will remove all of these. This one right left. So I drop the apps that I don't need to use. Okay guys, next, I'm going to right-click on this desktop. I chose this as my personal life. Here I find the team here. Then I pulled it down. I chose the desktop icon setting, click here. And I'm going to take out this computer icon, control panel. Press apply and check. Let me take it out of the desktop. I use it to make it convenient. I'll right-click here. I chose the view. I chose to auto around. Let it rearrange automatically. Let it be neat. Next, I will go to this control panel. Click on the category and select the lock icon. If I zoom in, I'll do each one. This autoplay example opens up. Let's turn this off. Keep it from running the autoplay. When you plug in devices like USB, for example, let it stop the VI pull you guys and press save. Here I select the user account. I chose this last line. And I'll turn this off. To get it out of the dialogues, when we do anything, it asks us yes. No, it's very annoying. And then yes. Come back here. Go to the system here. I pulled it down, and I'm in the part that is Advanced System setting here. I chose the last setting, and I'll turn this off. Click the next option to select this setting. I chose to adjust for best performance. I chose Smooth S. Then select Thumbnail, click Full, and press Apply, click the checkbox. I chose this protection system. It's already turned off here, so there's no need to turn it off. Then press the checkbox. Then let's turn it off. Go to the power option here. And if you use a desktop computer, then you come here. Then in the items that turn off this display, you let it never end. So that when we're using it, it doesn't turn off the screen. It's very annoying. Then this is to put this computer to sleep. And if you want, how much time does it automatically fall asleep? Then you will leave it. Then I hit save. In this part, it's done, guys. But what about this desktop? It depends. It's everyone's favorite. Oh, for me, the machine I work on, I don't like to have pictures like this. It is very involved as well as it's very hard to see. So I usually put a color that I'll right-click here. I chose a personal line. Go to this background, guys. Here I chose chocolate. This color. I usually choose a color. For example, this color. Turn it off and leave a color. Let's make it easy to see, then I'll do one more thing. Right-click on the taskbar. This I choose. This task manager. So here I am in this category, guys. Let's see if there's an app that it started. Working with Win, I'll turn it off. To help what? Windows itself starts faster. For example, I will disable these. I'll disable these, guys. It is enabling this. Then these don't need to be turned on, not with Win. Then I shut it off. Then there's another one. I'm going to go to this File Explorer. You see, when you click on the item, this File Explorer, it also depends on the preferences of each person. Haha. But when I use a computer, I want to click here. Then it will go into this DSPC section for me. Because most of the time when we get into the program, this Clover file we just want to get into this DSPC lets us into the drives. Let's just manage the file. And this one, when we press it, yes, default. Windows people will let us be something like this. Then to change it, you'll click the BA button. Here you choose to be an option. This is my home, so I chose display. Press apply, press checkbox. Let's turn this off. I'll turn it back on for you to see. It will go to the display like this. It's very convenient. Then there's another one. I'll click here and check it out. Here you see this. This icon is the Windows icon. Security means Windows Defender. Is the virus removal software on that Win? You see here its evidence. I'll open the yellow bar to check it out. Then here you see this. If it has this part, I will dismiss it. Then disconnect it, turn on it, let it turn on. Then Some of you are using Windows 10 and Windows 11. You usually turn off the virus remover. This is so you have your own business. But for me, when I finish the Win, I will update it to the latest Win and the latest updates. And then I'll turn on this VI removal feature. Let it protect the Win. It's better than you guys because most of them are on the machine. I use all the copyrighted software as well as they have their own personal data. So I want my machine to be protected best. This one is everyone's need. Some people don't want to use the program. Kill this withdrawal VI. Some people want it, so I'm the one here. I want to use this antivirus software. You can see the blue hips are up. That's how I feel, guys. Then I turn it off. And now I'll check it out. The Windows Updater has it finished updating yet? Right-click here and select Settings. Go to Window Update. This is it. It's almost done, guys. You see these are my drivers. Here it's reporting this retry. Then I'll pop it over here and check it out. And you see this now. My driver got it all. There's nothing between them. The yellow bar has been fully received. So that's my machine, it's getting enough drivers. Through the automatic Windows update. It's so cute, guys. It doesn't take a lot of work to manually install each one. This is how you update the drivers. It's very, very convenient. Let's turn this off. It says retry, but it's already installed. So it's just this, guys. So we don't have to worry about anything. Then there's the next thing. Is you check it for me? This is your computer and it is already active. Copyright or not. If not, activate it. By typing in the search box here. Give it quick activation. Like this, and you choose the activation setting here. You can see that this is your Windows. It's already active. It was my machine when I bought it. It comes with a Windows Pro version. And it's copyrighted, so when you reinstall Win, it is automatically activated for me. If you are not active, go in. In this part, you see it often has red error lines. And here it will be not active. Now you can use it. Well, those tricks are your rights. If you want to use it well, be clean and safe, then you can buy a license key. You can buy it with you. If you support yourself, you can buy it with you, or you can buy it anywhere. And then you press the button up here. You paste the key that you bought here, click Next. Press Active and it will report success. If you are looking for a Win 10 key, 11 Pro as well as Office BA65 cheap license, then you go ahead, contact me through the information I put on the screen. mill it. I'll come back now and check it out. Then it's all updated. After it's updated, you see this. It or the newspaper here has a yellow dot, or that red. So here we check this. It's been updated. You press the button. Restart now, give it a new start. Let it accept the change, click here. After it has been updated and restarted, then we go back to the settings to check. Right-click this setting at the door. In this setting, I will go to the section Window Update here. So you see, it's getting this right now. I'll give it a retry because it's still bugging me. Hey. And now you see here, it's got some. The driver has not been updated yet. Then I keep waiting. Give this part an update, let it be done. And then after it's done updating, it asks for it. Start the machine. One more time. I'll start the machine. Let it keep updating. You can click. After that has rebooted into WinBit. Then we'll check the part. Setting again? This is the right mouse. I will go back to the Windows Update section. It's still there, my friends. Try again. After it's done, you see this. It doesn't have an update anymore. Then it says, "You up to date." And this symbol is blue. It's not yellow anymore. That's your checkbook. We've updated the version. It's the latest. So these parts were done with. After you have finished all these parts, then you'll open the Fire Clover. And what we're going to do is clean up the trash for drive C. After we're done working, then you will select this C drive. You click here. You choose to clean up. Select Clean Up System File. You like to choose them all here. And when you're done, you hit the checkbox and click Delete File. Let me clean up the trash for C, huh? And then after it's done, I'm right here. Choose Show More and try it out. C is a little lighter. So these are the jobs that we should do after you install Windows 11 25H version, the two of you. I hope that this video will. It's very helpful.